Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the controller and removing batteries or the USB cable. This prevents shorting. Next, peel off any adhesive grips and locate the 4-Torx T8 screws under the grips and center label. Use a magnetic T8 driver to remove screws carefully and place them in a labeled container so you won't mix sizes. Once done, separate the front and back halves gently along the seam while checking for trapped ribbon cables so nothing tears during opening. With the back shell lifted, you'll see the trigger assemblies and the main board. Be deliberate and patient to avoid snapping plastic clips. Use a plastic pry tool to release the small ribbon connectors. Press the latch and slide the ribbon out, never pull directly on the cable. Unscrew any grounding or bracket screws holding the board, then remove the thumbsticks and bumpers by lifting their retainers. Make sure to note spring orientation, so reassembly restores proper trigger tension and button return. To finish, inspect each ribbon and connector, then reseat them until you hear or feel the latch click. This is crucial for functionality. Align the front and back shells, gently press the clips together, and reinstall the Torx screws in their labeled positions to avoid stress on plastic. Replace grips and insert batteries, then power on the controller and test every button, trigger, and stick. If something feels off, power down and reopen to check ribbon seating or missing springs. Those two issues solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.